Alright everybody, round 2. This time we're going up to Seattle, which is about 3 hours north. But it's a good shop. Let's go ahead, get on the road. Hummer, Lotus Esprit, Mercedes, and some Mercy logos in there. Okay everybody, out here on the FZ-09 to finish off the video. So as you guys saw, I took the KLX up to Two Wheel Dyno Works up in Kirkland, Washington, which is about 3 hours north of where I'm at. And the reason I took it to them is because after doing some digging around and some research, it seemed like they were the go-to guys for dyno tuning. Kind of a similar situation with my Corvette. There was one guy up here in the Pacific Northwest. His name's Tommy Wong at Wong's Performance, and he's pretty much the guy to go to tune anything GMLS related. So some of my friends told me to go see him, and I read his reviews. He's 4.9 out of 5. But as you can see, the other shop I took it to was also rated 4.9 out of 5. As you saw in last video, that shop didn't really turn out too well. If you missed that, go ahead, click up above, check that out. Pretty interesting video. But I even found on just a random forum somebody talking about how they got their motorcycle tuned by Nels up at Two Wheel Dyno Works, and he was talking about how he did great work, so that's why I took it up to him. And when I dropped it off, pretty much told him, you know, do what you guys do. They're the ones, obviously, who have the dyno tuning experience, not me. So when I called him, he said that, you know, it's usually a busy time of the year, and as far as their scheduling goes, for scheduling ahead of time, they're pretty much full, but he said bring it up and I can squeeze you in. And at first he said that it'd be a week or two, but when I brought it up there, he said it'd be done later this week or early next week. So yet again, that's another good sign. So I'm looking forward to what they say, what they do. Looking forward to their phone call, of course, for after when they get it on the dyno. And I'm able to pick it up. But yeah, if you want to see what they're all about, Two Wheel Dyno Works up in Kirkland, Washington. I gotta love the sound of that. Downshift and rip. Hopefully this time when I say get excited everybody, it truly is it. Hopefully the KLX is done this next week. If so, gotta hop on up there in my dad's truck, go ahead and pick it up, and then that'll be it. The reveal / results video, and then of course the first ride and some initial reactions to getting some pulls on there. And then after that, we got a whole lot of things to do. Not having the KLX makes me realize how much I miss going off-road and some shenanigans, being able to go wherever you want. I'll just leave it at that. Well, I hope you enjoyed that short little video about the KLX heading to the dyno for round 2, hopefully with a better outcome this time. But I think the KLX is in good hands, so stay tuned everybody. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also share it to your friends and those who may enjoy it. And of course, if you're not subscribed, go down there, hit that subscribe button, get the bell on to keep up with all the content. Of course, the KLX FZ-09 and the Corvette. But with all that being said, join the club. And I'll see you in the next one.
I'm the motherfucking greatest. Yeah, I'm the greatest. Bitch, my competition days don't fit that niche. You could try to take a shot at me, I will not flinch. I try to jack at my sound and then I flip that script like I ain't doing no favors. See me walking around with all that moolah, baby. Girl talking to me, telling me that I was a savior. Yeah, I think I'm a taker.
do they even use this sealant?